Hello guys. Today I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Misbahuddin. I'm from Computer Science, Binus 122. In this opportunity, I would like to present material about the weather. Of course, you know a lot about the weather, so I'm here to explain a little bit about it. The first, I will explain to you about what the weather is. Then, I will explain effects of weather on health and behavior. And finally, you will know how to minimize the bad effects of the weather. Weather is an air condition at certain times and in certain regions, which are relatively narrow and in a short period of time. Some also say that the weather is a daily air condition at a certain place that covers a narrow area. This weather condition can change at any time. Another understanding of the weather is a state of average air every day in a certain region in a short period of time. The conditions of the weather are volatile, caused by air pressure, temperature, wind, humidity, and air and rainfall. There are several types of weather, example of which are: number one is sunny weather. The brilliant weather is clear sun and the air feels fresh. Number two is hot weather. The air feels dry during the dry season. The reason the causes dry air is sunlight. At noon, the sun's light is far perpendicular to Earth, so it will be very dry and hot. Number three is cloudy weather. When the sky has several clouds, the condition of things like this is called cloudy weather. Sunlight is not so hot because it is covered by clouds. Number four is cool or cold weather. An area will feel cool weather if the humidity is high, the wind blows very fast, and the air temperature is low. Number five is rainy weather. Rain comes from the air that contains water vapor. Water vapor is formed because of the sun's heating of water on the surface of the earth, such as pond water, lake water, river water, and sea water. The air rises to the top and creates clouds, and clouds make it rain. Number six is windy weather. The wind blows rapidly so that objects scatter. When the wind moves very fast and tricks trees and the guest house can collapse. Wind speed can be measured with a wind speed meter or anemometer. Okay, next, there are several effects of the weather for daily life. Number one is extreme weather can trigger physiological problems. People who live in areas with relatively intense climate, often with hurricanes and tornadoes, are more prone to psychiatric disorders. Hurricane disasters are said to cause stress, whereas post-disasters can cause prolonged psychological disturbances for people who live in disaster areas. Number two is rain can make allergies worse. Spring often brings colds to many people, but if you get seasonal allergies throughout the year, you can be sure that allergies will get worse during the rainy season. Number three is excessive, excessive hot weather can trigger the risk of heart disease. Increased air temperature can affect heart health. Second, if a person is dehydrated and exposed to a high heat attack, it can potentially trigger brain damage that can certainly also affect behavior. Okay? In conclusion, the process of weather is combination of the same atmospheric variables called climate elements. These climate elements consist of solar radiation, air temperature, humidity, clouds, precipitation, evaporation, air pressure, and wind. These elements differ from time to time and from place to place due to climate controllers. Okay, that's that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. May all those I have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you very much.